was really lovely. I mean, Salman sir has always been the kindest person, and he always has been very, very caring.
मैं जानना चाहती हूँ आपके फेवरेट क्रिकेटर्स के बारे में.
MS Dhoni, because they have been such huge fans.
फेवरेट बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस
Deepika Padukone,
जो करंट क्रिकेटर्स का लॉट
Virat Kohli. He's like
यू हैव अ लाइफ पार्टनर, उसमें ऐसे क्वालिटीज होने चाहिए.
supportive, caring, funny, kind. For Gudi Padwa, first of all, my favorite thing in the world is food, right?
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू व्हाट्सएप सेलिब्रिटी. मैं हूँ पूजा नवाते और आज फिल्मी ज्ञान के स्टुडिओ में आई है दबंगल साई मांजरेकर. हेलो, कशी आहेस?
मी मस्त. तुम्ही कशा आहात?
मस्त. So when two Marathi girls meet, you know what happens.
It's the best.
It's the Marathi
I honestly
connection.
feel like every time I meet a Maharashtrian, I feel like अपनी family है.
है ना?
It doesn't feel like it's a person that I don't know. I feel like I can take them home. And
You
be like,
can
Mama,
take me
new
home.
friend.
Do you like cats?
I have 2 cats. Yeah, I'm obsessed
exactly.
with
So
cats.
I identify as cat.
You do?
I do.
mean,
I'm obsessed with cats.
Cats are the best. But like sometimes you feel like, अरे give me thoda love, you know, like
है ना?
it's sometimes
की तरह.
dogs are always clingy, you know. I love that also. Sometimes I miss that, but I love my cats more than anything in the world. So I'm
Same, you're like I can't decide between dogs and cats because I'm both. Like
You can't,
I'm an all
yeah.
animal person.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah.
और मेरे घर पे cats भी है, dogs भी है, तो yay.
Same.
But are you like a cat, only cat person or dog person?
No,
or
I
both?
can't choose. I love
है ना?
animals in general. I love cats, dogs, and horses the most. My favorite. And if I could live with a horse in my house also, I would, but I can't.
Seriously? तो आपने सलमान खान के फार्म हाउस पे तो विजिट किया होगा, तो हॉर्सेस से मिले ही होंगे because he
So I
loves
go
his
to
horses.
Mathiran a lot.
Okay.
My best friend has a house in Mathiran, and बचपन से मतलब since we were what, 3 years old we've been going. And I remember कि मुझे बस घोड़े पे बैठा दिया था, बोलो सीखो. तो तब से I've been riding horses and I can't stop. I mean now it's been a little less क्योंकि माथेरान में भी development हो रही है,
बिल्कुल.
तो we can't really ride there. But now so I'm going to Mahalakshmi race course.
नाइस. सही. वैसे जब आप प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं कर रहे हो, शूट नहीं कर रहे हो, तो आप क्या करते हो? व्हाट डू यू प्रेफर डूइंग?
So I think right now it's cricket, but when I'm not shooting, my typical day is very, very, very like decided. I don't do anything different. Especially now I've started. So 3 of us, we're 3 girls. We wake up every morning. By 6:37 we go for a walk. That's really helped me because I feel like जब मैं सुबह उठ के बाहर जाती हूँ, you get some nice fresh air. We'll go for a walk. We'll do a little नारियल पानी after. I'll come back and I'll make breakfast. It's my favorite thing to do. This is something I do every single day. और जब मैं ये नहीं करती हूँ, so I feel like something is like today I didn't do it because I was coming here. So I was like, I'm going to sleep a little bit so I don't look tired. So for that, I feel like something's missing. So I love going for those walks and getting my naril pani with my friends and then making breakfast.
You love cooking.
I love cooking. I actually have been told that I am good at it. So
क्या क्या बना लेती है सही?
मैं
हाँ.
पाव भाजी, egg curry, pasta, pizza. So that was a little quicker. But mom's taught me her world famous prawn pulao.
Oh.
What else do I make? Well, paneer makhni. I'll keep going. You have to stop me. क्योंकि तारीफ
wow,
करने
यार.
लगूँ ना, so I don't stop.
Okay. Since you also mentioned cricket, मैं जानना चाहती हूँ आपके favorite cricketers के बारे में. Is it one or it's more than one cricketer? Who do you admire the most?
Oh, so many. But I think because I've grown up with so many brothers, it's always been MS Dhoni.
Oh.
Because they have been such huge fans, and that's all I've heard since I was
True.
a little. So then it's just him.
It's just him. और अभी जो current cricketers का lot.
Virat Kohli. He's like.
Did you see that video जहाँ पर वो अनुष्का शर्मा को जाके
Yeah,
wave कर
that's
रहा
all
है?
like. You feel like that's what you want in life when you see that. So then I just skip through. I was like, no, अभी नहीं.
सिंगल लड़कियां तो ज्यादा बुरा फील कर लेती है क्योंकि ऐसा पार्टनर चाहिए लाइफ में जो कितना भी बिजी हो आपको वो अटेंशन जरूर दे जो विराट अनुष्का को देता है.
Yeah, 100%.
Like, do you have few qualities in your mind कि if you have a life partner उसमें ऐसे qualities होने चाहिए?
There's a couple, supportive, caring, funny, kind. That's about it actually. So what is caring, funny, kind?
फनी वटी
हाँ
थोड़ा
मतलब it doesn't have to be funny with everyone as long as we can laugh together.
आई लाइक ओल्ड स्कूल और जेंजी
Old school. I don't understand dating and casual dating. I will never understand it because it's not something that sits right with me. Because if I'm dating someone, then it's for life. Then I don't like. Why would you waste your time, right?
बिल्कुल
So yeah.
और
it's for
बॉलीवुड
life.
का इन्फ्लुएंस तो रहा ही होगा आपके
हाँ,
ऊपर है ना
हाँ.
तो वैसे ही रोमांटिक फिल्में देखकर वैसे ही आप डिल्यूजनल वर्ल्ड में रहते हैं बिकॉज
No,
डिल्यूजन इज द
no.
सॉल्यूशन
I am very, very practical when it especially comes to like emotional matters. My mom and dad tell me also that listen, think from here sometimes because I am very practical. I don't like sugarcoating things. I know things like they are and I say them like they are. Sometimes accept them also. So I'm not delulu at all.
that's great
Yeah. I don't like that word also.
oh
It irritates me.
okay I'm not repeating that
No, that's
but
okay.
honestly even I don't like it
It's
ये
so-
क्या टर्म्स आ गए मुझे तो कभी कभी समझता नहीं आधे टर्म्स तो मेरे ऑफिस में सारे जेंजी है मैं उनसे पूछती हूँ इसका मीनिंग क्या है बताओ मुझे तो टर्म्स ही नहीं समझता है बेंच
I feel like you are going to. Are you going to ask me Gen Z terms?
नो
Okay.
आई एम
Because I won't know them.
लिसन बहन मुझे भी आनी चाहिए मुझे आई एम ओल्ड स्कूल टू मुझे
Yeah,
नहीं
she's
समझ
Sakshi, my manager. She'll know all Gen Z terms,
Yeah?
even though she's older than me.
I तो forget even if my Gen Z friends come and tell me कि अरे ये मीनिंग है मैं भूल जाती हूँ मुझे ओल्ड स्कूल प्यार ही समझ आता है उसके बियॉन्ड मुझे नहीं
Yeah,
समझ में आता है वो
yeah.
सिचुएशनशिप बेंचिंग ये वो मुझे जो फील होता है मैं बोल देती हूँ खत्म
Yeah, but that's how it should be. Na? Why do you want to go into things that you don't want to actually do?
एग्जैक्टली वैसे तो ये आप जब पैपराजी आपको स्पॉट करते
हाँ
हैं द
जी।
इंटरेक्शन विद देम
हाँ
इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टेल मी आपका रिश्ता पैपराजी के साथ कैसा है बॉन्डिंग कैसी है उनके
Well,
साथ
the funny part is I'm a very shy person. Matlab, if you make me sit on a room one on one with you, I can fully talk to
Okay.
you. And because we've like spoken a little bit before
Huh.
the interview also, so I'll be able to speak to you.
Huh.
But if you put me suddenly in front of people who are clicking my pictures, I still get shy. So in all my pap videos, everyone's told me, "Arey Sai, why are you being so like meek and shy?" Is because I'm just like I don't want to overpower anyone. So I'm just like I'll be very nice, I'll smile and I'll like walk
Yeah.
away. But it's been really sweet because first of all they're all like Maharashtrians, most of them.
Yeah.
So they all talk to me in Marathi, so I suddenly feel this vibe of like family and it's really nice and yeah, they're all really sweet, really kind and they always have nice things to say and who doesn't want that?
ट्रू
Yeah.
बट कभी कभी कुछ कुछ एक्टर्स अनॉय भी होते हैं पर्सनल बाउंड्रीज में आ जाना या समथिंग व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन पैपराजी कल्चर
My take on it, I feel like it's each to their own. I don't think that anyone should have to follow a certain template of how it's supposed to be because it's always been different for everyone. And if one wants to get papped and likes it, um, they should. And if they don't want to, then हर रोज गाड़ी बदलते रहो. I guess.
ट्रू
Just take different cars.
nice since we're talking about Marathi people Gudi Padwa is around the
Yes,
corner
yes.
How do you celebrate Gudi Padwa with your family what do you do
For Gudi Padwa, first of all, my favorite thing in the world is food, right? So for Gudi Padwa, there's this like meal made at home that I just look forward to. There's god amti with bhat and toop. Batataच्या काचऱ्या,
aha varan bhat
varan bhat. I like god varan.
Huh.
When it's like amti varan, I like it all sweet. Like I like it with gul.
good
Then there's obviously like some kappa. Like we'll do like suran or
चूरणाची
I
कापं मला खूप
love it.
आवडतात
It's
आहा
so good.
Yeah.
So I just wait for that meal with like a little लिंबाचं लोणचं, तूप, and it's just
Yeah.
my favorite meal.
Relishing.
So Gudi Padwa day, I am awake waiting for my food.
आणि स्वीट मध्ये काय आवडतं गोड पदार्थ
So that's an actual issue. मला
महाराष्ट्रीयन
सगळंच
स्वीट
आवडतं.
डिश काय बनतं गुढी पाडव्या दिवशी
बनतं काय?
हा
शिरा.
ओके
केळ्याचा शिरा.
केळ्याचा शिरा
आणि मला
आहा.
like I need केळ्याचा शिरा is like my weakness. I have been on multiple diets in my life
Huh.
because I have been very unfit as a child. So I've been on multiple diets in my life, but the one thing that I cannot resist is Keyata Shira. It's like, especially when my mom makes it, it's just the best. So that's my favorite Gudi Padwa memory, is like the food, because we all sit together and we have this thal and we have like little food and we eat it. And obviously Gudi उभारायला तर खूप मजा येते.
Yeah.
Then Mama does.
आरती मग सकाळी उठून
आरती.
नववारी साडी वगैरे हाऊ डू ड्रेस अप फॉर गुडी पाडवा
Honestly, I shower, I wear jeans, a kurti,
ओके
maybe a bindi, and my mom will be like, lipstick lao. And then I'll put some lipstick. And that's about it. I feel like the only time I actually dress up is when I'm going out. At home, I don't really. You'll always see me like a little bit jaldi at home.
दैट्स हाउ
I'll always see my hair up in a bun, loose t-shirt, loose pants, and I'm chilling.
बट एज अ पब्लिक फिगर आई वांट टू आस्क यू थोड़ा प्रेशर रहता है कि कोई फेस्टिवल है या कोई इम्पोर्टेंट डे है तो फोटोज क्लिक करो और पीआर टीम पूछती भी होगी ना फोटोज भेजो आगे भेजना है मीडिया हाउसेस को तो ये प्रेशर रहता है आप पे आप कितना ये एंजॉय करते हो कि
I enjoy
कभी कभी
it. I enjoy it. Pressure तो रहता है, अभी आपको पीआर से पूछना पड़ेगा कि मैं कितना सुनती हूँ या मेरे मैनेजमेंट से पूछना पड़ेगा, because I
हाँ
sometimes when I feel like it and I get ready and I take pictures, I'll post them.
Right.
But I've never taken that pressure ki, because it's माझा सण है. I want to celebrate it the way I do.
True.
So sometimes I'll post a story or two about how I'm celebrating it. And if I really feel like, okay, today I want to get ready, I have those days where I feel like, चलो आज बाल में रोलर लगा के बैठ जाते हैं. When I have those days, then obviously I will take those pictures and post them, because that's
Nice,
normal.
yeah.
I don't really take too much pressure ki arey I have to get ready
Good.
and have to you know, post a
Yeah.
picture.
You don't do anything forcefully. Like अगर मन किया तो yes.
No, I think there's a problem also with me. I should probably do things that need to be done.
That's why I asked you as an artist, as a public figure, does it put an added pressure? क्योंकि कभी कभी मूड नहीं होता है, कभी कभी मन नहीं होता है, but you know
Yeah.
your fans want to see you how you are also celebrating
Yeah.
your favorite festivals out there.
Yeah,
you know they
exactly.
wait for your pictures and that is why maybe your team also must be asking you अरे यार fans क्योंकि उनको भी तो DM जाते होंगे ना आपके fans से
Fair enough.
है ना वैसे
I'm not the right person to ask this question to.
I will post the interview. But how do you deal with the trollers as well? Because social media पे fans भी है, trollers भी है.
I don't.
You don't read those
I think
negative comments.
ignorance is bliss, unless it's a comment that actually is constructive and telling me that, you know, this can be improved or you should do this. I will take that. I will pay heed to that. I will take it into consideration, because that's actually someone who's looking out for me. If you're a random person on the internet and you have decided to be mean for no rhyme or reason, then I will also choose to ignore you. But if you are an actual person who's coming to me out of concern, who wants to, you know, give me a certain, I don't know, criticism about something that I can better, I will 100% take it. So I'm a little bit on the fence about that. I don't really pay too much attention to it, because it can take a toll. And why do you want it to take a toll? You can just live your life. But then I also sometimes feel like there are some comments that you stumble across, where sometimes you just want to clarify that, yo, this is wrong. That's not how it is. When people make assumptions, I get damn angry.
Oh.
Yeah, that's my only.
And I'm sure you must be going through few days where you just don't want to hear anything negative or read anything negative about yourself.
No, I haven't. I'm like very sorted like that. Like, even if I read something negative, it won't really affect me too much if it is, you know, just up in the air and they're just saying anything about me and making assumptions. And I'll be like, हाँ ठीक है चलो, like, you have the right to an opinion, because I am a public, because you have a right to an opinion.
Right.
Keep it.
It's the byproduct somehow.
Yeah, I can do what I am doing to maybe change that, but that's about it.
क्या बात है? What's in the pipeline?
There's a couple of things. I'm shooting 2 films right now.
Okay. हमने आपकी तस्वीर देखी इंडिया हाउस से.
अच्छा हाँ.
सती का किरदार निभा रही है आप.
हाँ जी.
काफी सुंदर लग रही है आप.
Thank
इस किरदार के बारे में, इस फिल्म के बारे में
मैं
बताइए.
कुछ ज़्यादा बता नहीं सकती. That's an actual problem. But as soon as I can say more about it, I would love to say more about it. I just have to say that we shot in the most beautiful locations with the most beautiful outfits, and I am very, very excited for people to see it.
Okay, let's move on to our segments. The
Yes.
first segment is called as Untold Tales.
Untold Tales.
Yeah, so I'm
Okay.
going to mention names of your few projects,
Okay.
and you have to tell one untold tale.
Okay, I like
Okay.
that. Okay.
Dabang 3.
An untold tale is that my favorite thing on set, on any set, is the lunch tiffin that comes in those like little dabbas. And my first experience properly with that is on Dabang. And since then, those lunch tiffins are pretty like premeditated sort of setting that they're in.
ये जो सेट पे आते थे या आपके घर से?
Set पे, set पे.
ओह,
हाँ.
मैं सुना सलमान के भी घर से बहुत खाना आता था.
I mean, हाँ, of course, but this is we're doing an outdoor schedule.
ओह,
तो जो set का खाना आता था, I love it. So now, since then to now, I have this very like set lunch menu that I have on every set because there's dal, there's rice, there's cucumber, there's a little bit like
हाँ.
sabzi, and I will eat it and make a little like thing and eat it. So that I happened on Dabang. It started with Dabang. So I'm very, very happy that that happened.
And any scene from that movie that is very close to your heart?
I think the first scene because that was the first time I ever was in front of a camera. And I mean, I've been in front of a camera before, but I was very, very young. So I think that time the jitters and the nervousness and that exciting energy that was there is something that you only feel for the first time. So I think that one feeling, even if you try to sort of make it happen again, I don't think that exact feeling will ever come. So I think that feeling.
True, and also your chemistry with Salman Khan looked very nice on screen. How was that experience to you?
It was really lovely. I mean, Salman sir has always been the kindest person, and he always has been very, very caring. And I feel like that sort of shows with the comfort level one shares.
True. The next one is Major.
Oh. I think with Major, more than an untold story, it's just the fact that Major we started shooting around before lockdown. And then lockdown happened and we continued shooting it. So I feel like when I was shooting Major, I keep saying this that I grew up on the set of Major. Like it was like the most important years of my young adulthood. So it was like from when I was 18 to 20. So I sort of grew up on that set and I learned so much that I feel like it's really shaped who I am as a person, as an actor today. So I am very, very grateful to that
So
film
any
and to the makers.
untold tale from the film that we do not know?
I mean, there is a tale where Seish, he knew that I'm terrified of lizards. Like, I am so scared. It's a very terrible, terrible phobia that I have, and I've had it since I was a child. I don't know why I have
मतलब
it.
कहीं पे भी छिपकली देख
नहीं,
ली तो
आपने बात भी की तो मुझे ऐसे हो जाता है.
okay.
तो and it's not like I can escape them. I live in Mumbai.
True.
So they're always like there. So I'm just like one scared little child when it comes to chipkali. So on the last day of like shoot, he got me a gift, like really nicely wrapped and fancy. I was like, yeah, I got damn excited. I opened it. It was 2 chipkali hair clips.
Oh,
Not actual chipkali.
I was like,
No.
I was like,
literally
what?
start crying. The 2 chipkali hair clips, and I didn't realize the hair clips first. So they started taking them and running behind me. So that was like
oh God.
a prank.
But since you have worked in such big projects and you belong from a film family too, what is that one thing that has been inspiring to you about your father? और उनके साथ कभी हम देख सकते हैं आपको काम करते हुए आने वाले दिनों में?
Absolutely, I would love that. But the one thing that's been inspiring to my father, I probably can't choose one because there's so many. Like, number one, I have to say his work ethic. Wherever he is, whatever he is doing, his work will come first. And I want to imbibe that. Like, he may be sleeping at 2 a.m. because we've had family over, but he will wake up at 4 and go to shoot. And I think that balance he strikes really well. I would love to kind of learn from that. Just he's really well read. He knows everything about anything that's happening. Like today, I can pick up a conversation with him about anything, and I know for a fact that he will have information about it. And I feel it's a great quality. मतलब तुम जाके किसी के भी पास कुछ भी बातें कर सको, so I think it's a great quality.
Yeah.
So I think that there's so many. I can go on. But
कोई ऐसे टिप उन्होंने दी है about the industry, how to be in this industry?
yeah, I mean, a very basic tip that he gave me that really stuck with me was that leave your work outside the doorstep and leave family inside. Like, don't do a give and take between those two, because as soon as you mix those two energies, it's going to become khichdi.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Moving on to our next segment, what the comments.
Okay.
ठीक है, you have to react to these comments.
Okay, on my posts?
Yeah, we have picked from your post.
Oh, how nice. Thank you.
So the first comment is, सलमान भाई को केक नहीं खिलाया आपने. this is a viral video.
Oh my god, yes, I have seen it, and all my friends have seen it, and they keep sending it to me. And it was my birthday. It was my 18th birthday. And I was cutting the cake, and Salman sir was right there. But abhi bachpan se, it's just like a habit, right? You feed your mom and dad.
Of course.
And the next person I fed was Salman sir. And they cut the video there. And I'm just like, bro, dikha do na. And it's just like in the back of your mind, when you're cutting a cake, since for 18 years of my life, I've been taking the cake, feeding mom, feeding dad. So that was just like a reflex. It wasn't like, I don't know what to say about this.
No, but आप सही ने केक खिलाया guys. और वो वीडियो कहाँ है फिर, हमें कहाँ से मिलेगा वो?
पता नहीं, जहाँ से पहला वीडियो मिला है वहीं से,
बोल
जहाँ
दो
से
यार,
काटा है उनको.
हमें पूरा वीडियो देखना है, प्लीज अपलोड कर दो इंटरनेट पे. है ना? द सेकंड कमेंट इज, जानवी अनन्या सारा सबको फेल कर दिया था सही ने अपने डेब्यू फिल्म के साथ.
No, yeah, I don't think. No, that's not nice. I don't like that. People say isko. It's not about that. I feel like you used to keep doing your own thing. You can't compete with everyone because there's so many people. Just keep doing your own thing.
True.
Yeah.
Okay. So time for rapid fire. Describe yourself in 3 words.
Oh, crazy, fun, sweet, I guess.
Yeah.
If you look.
One thing you can't live without.
Lip balm, food. See,
Lip
that's a
balm.
khana. Food.
I've never heard someone saying lip balm. Wow. Interesting, Sai. Okay.
Khana.
Favorite place in Mumbai?
So many. Food place? Food place to eat?
Yeah, it can be a food place.
There's Matunga. There's so many places in Matunga. There's these Irani cafes that I love. There is. If I had to say one, it would be Mahalakshmi Racecourse. Chalo.
Okay. Because of the horses.
Yeah.
I know.
I go for walks and then I see the horses. I'm like, wow.
What is your hobby?
I don't know. Does dancing count as a hobby? No,
Yeah,
it's something
yeah.
I have to do for my job also, no?
Mm-hmm.
A hobby. Horse riding? I don't read as much as I should. I have just started reading, so maybe reading.
Okay. Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Your go-to fashion accessory?
Earrings. I can't step out of my house without wearing a pair of earrings.
Morning person or night owl?
Morning person, suddenly in life now. Recent development in life.
It's a
is that-
challenge to wake up early. I'm not a morning person and I am challenging myself to wake up.
That was me, but I have started doing this like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method where once I hear my alarm ring, I don't snooze it. I will count to 5 in my head and then I'll wake up.
Okay.
Regardless of how tired I am, I will stay awake, go for my walk, and come back and sleep, but I will wake up.
Wow.
It's just like a very, very recent development. I hope this stays.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I'll use this trick now. Your favorite singer?
Shreya Ghoshal.
Okay. Favorite song?
There's a song called Vienna that I love.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a very nice song.
Okay. One guilty pleasure?
Food?
Okay. Favorite film?
Favorite film? Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
Your nickname?
Jiu.
Gio.
Gio.
Cute. New generation actor,
Hmm?
as in your maybe you think as a competitor you admire the most in the industry?
Everyone. I think everyone has such great things to offer, and everyone has been doing such great work. So I can't really pick one. I think everyone has been doing great stuff.
Okay. Favorite Bollywood actress?
Deepika Padukone.
Okay. One quick recipe since you love cooking.
A quick recipe. Let's see. Can I give you my anda burji recipe?
Okay.
I love making egg burji. Every morning I told you I make breakfast is egg burji.
मी vegetarian आहे but ठीक आहे माझे friends ऐकतील ते सगळे
You can
egg
make
खा-
it paneer also.
Okay.
Tofu
Same.
also. Whatever.
Okay, great.
It's like okay. So for my egg burji, you take cut onions, tomatoes, and chilies, and you can add whatever veggies of your choice if you want to. You take a little oil and a little butter in the pan and in like a kadai. And you sort of heat that, put the onions and chilies first, kind of make them a little bit, what is it called? Soft? Pink? Pink. You make them a little bit pink. You put the tomatoes, and you put adrak lasan paste, ginger garlic paste.
Oh.
Saute it a little bit, and now the masalas is where all the fun is. I like to put kanda lasun, onion, garlic powder.
Wow.
But onion garlic powder is different from kanda lasun masala.
Okay.
It's like this red
I'm
masala.
getting it all.
Okay. So kanda lasun masala. Then one masala magic by Maggie.
Okay.
A little bit haldi, red chili powder, malwani masala. And then you just like it should look red, scary.
I'm noting it down, okay?
Yeah, it should look like red and scary, okay? And then you crack your eggs inside. Like I crack 3 eggs and then you just like kind of scramble them. And you turn off the flame. As soon as you put your eggs inside and you start scrambling them, turn off the flame and put a dash of milk inside. So you're cutting the scary red. And you just like sort of mix it, put your salt, whatever, and serve it.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a very like childish recipe, no?
I'll try it with paneer or
Try it with
tofu.
Paneer, tofu, you can try with anything.
Okay. The next one is modak or puran poli.
Oh my god. Cultural dilemma hai ye to. Puran poli. Puran poli with ghee and
कटाची आमटी
दूध.
दूध
Doodh.
मला पण पुरणपोळी आणि दूध
Like hot puran poli with ghee and thanda doodh.
Have you tried puranpoli ice cream?
Yes, I have. I love it.
Same
Listen,
here.
I've tried every kind of
आस्वाद
concoction. Yeah.
दादर आस्वाद
Yeah.
मध्ये हाँ सेम वडापाव और मिसल पाव
Vada pav.
ओके थालीपीठ और पिठला भाकरी
Pitla bhakri.
ओके सेम यार share 3 besties from the industry.
Listen, it's damn sad, but all my best friends are from when I was really little and crawling. So none of them are in the industry. They're all lawyers, doctors, and marketing, and they're doing a bunch
like,
of things.
शाळेपासूनचे friends.
Yeah, not
Childhood
even
friends.
Sharipasun. Our parents are friends, so we
Wow.
are friends who now we're just like.
Even I have such friends in my life, and it's a
Yeah.
blessing. Believe
It genuinely
me,
is
it's
because
a
they know
big
you
blessing.
the best. So you want me to name them?
You can if you want
I
to.
can't just name 3. They're all kids.
Acha, acha. No
so I'm
problem.
probably just not going to name anyone.
But you know, the best thing about having childhood friends or outside the industry, they will see you as the person you are.
100%. They sometimes humble you also
Yeah.
a lot. Like they'll bring you down if you're flying too much.
हाँ they'll be like हाँ तू रिपोर्टर होगी वहाँ पे हमें पता नहीं हमें पूजा ही वैसे ही बोलते होंगे
Yeah,
I'm sure.
that's exactly what they say.
Yeah. Okay, last one is one life gyan you have received or you want to share with the audience.
This is just something that I am a very firm believer of. I don't know if I follow it as much, but I think it's the most important thing to be kind. And sometimes I also get confused because I'm just like in a world where you can choose to be anything you want to be. Like literally anything. Nowadays you can be anything. Then people choose to be unkind. I get really icked out by it because why would you do that? So I think, yeah, always be kind to anyone and everyone. You don't know what they're going through. They have their own battles. So always try to see the good in people and be nice.
Okay, and the last one is the last.
Okay.
Okay. The last song you heard on loop.
Afsos.
The last text you sent.
The last text I sent is no clue, haven't opened. It's the
You did
text.
not open the chat.
Yeah. No. That's the last text I sent.
Oh,
No
what?
clue, haven't opened. So someone asked in a group, have you seen it? I said, no clue, haven't opened.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The last lie you told.
The last lie I told, maybe the text that I told you right now.
Sorry.
I'm sorry,
It broke my heart. Okay. The last time you kissed.
My cats today.
Oh.
Sweet babies.
The last person you speed dialed.
I don't have anyone on speed dial. Probably should have my mom because I call her like 20 times a day.
Okay. The last thing you cooked.
Egg burji.
Okay. The last show or movie you binged.
Right now I'm rewatching Modern Family, and the last show. There's a show on Netflix called The Man on the Inside,
Okay.
which is really fun.
Okay.
That's the one.
The last time you cried.
Yesterday,
Oh.
watching some reel that was really sad. I started crying.
Motivational भी ऐसे ब्रेकअप
Like
वाला
sad,
रील
no, like
Heartbreak
animals,
wala.
like dogs. I don't, and they keep showing up like it's really sweet, happy reels, but they're also like happy, sad ones. So I get really like
Okay. Last crush.
last crush.
Or you can mention current also if you want.
I mean, my last crush was probably in school. I'm also lying to you right now, but I won't tell you my crush.
The last place you traveled for fun.
I was just in LA.
Okay. Last time you fell in love.
Almost every day with my beautiful baby cats.
Oh.
Yeah.
The last selfie you clicked. Where and with whom?
Chal, here with you.
Oh.
Here with you.
Here's the last selfie. The last person you blocked on Instagram.
I don't think I blocked anyone on Instagram.
You don't block? You don't believe in blocking people?
I mean, I've not had an experience where I've had to block someone.
Wow.
So I've not blocked anyone on it.
That's
Everyone
great.
on my Instagram is unblocked.
Wow. Last Marathi slang you used.
Like a bad word.
Anything bad word you can't say on camera, no?
Yeah, I don't even say bad words.
Which is your go-to Marathi line or word?
Ayya.
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 मराठी उखाणे येतं का?
म्हणजे
उखाणी म्हणतात ना?
नाही मला नाही
नाही येत.
नाही म्हणजे if you tell me one maybe I'll know पण
उखाणं ते लग्नात वगैरे बोलतात ना
ओ,
उखाणी.
तुझं माझं
हा.
या नो मला नाही
Okay, what are the go-to words but like typical Marathi words if you want to teach our like filmi gyan darshak कुछ मराठी के words.
Ayya. Ayya is my favorite one. It's like ayyo only, but like ayya.
Ayya.
Agabai.
अगं बाई.
Agabai. I keep doing that. So all my friends are good Jews, okay?
हाँ.
And now I've made them like part Marathi because they keep using this. They'll be like, Agabai Jew, काय झालं? And I'll be like, yeah, I'm proud of you. Good one. But yeah, Agabai I love. I like Awaisha.
Awaisha.
Awaisha, Mamacha Misha.
Oh.
You know how that one? My sister taught me that one.
Oh.
Mug. Wonder Abhari hai.
हाँ.
I love saying that every time someone tells me something.
We
Bhavna Pochlia.
भावना पोचल्या
When someone's
मंडळावर.
like telling me something, I'll be like, Bhavna Pochlia. Thank you.
क्या बात है कोणी विचारलंय का जेवलीस का?
I'm okay. पण मी नाही जेवली अजून.
ओके बट डीएम मध्ये विचारतच असतील
कदाचित.
है ना? ओके द लास्ट टाइम यू फेल्ट हेल्पलेस.
My hair keeps making me feel helpless sometimes because it doesn't listen to me. So every time I'm doing my hair myself.
Okay, and the last one is your last heartbreak.
I don't think I've had a real heartbreak till now, but I was Chingu Mingu once in the 12th grade.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Saeed,
you,
for talking to us. Interesting interaction with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we have few more segments in the store which will be uploading on Filmy Yarn. So stay tuned. जाने से पहले अपने fans के लिए कोई message.
Hi, I'm Sai Manjrekar, and I hope that you liked this little segment that we did, and that I entertained you a little, whatever little way I could, and I hope I continue to do that. Thank you.
Thank you.